Hi, Kelly. Yeah, so on one hand, Robinhood is taking on Vanguard, Fidelity in a new way, banks with this product suite, but it is also sticking to what is a very Silicon Valley playbook. So to monetize this, Robinhood is leaning on subscriptions. It's a core strategy you see for a lot of tech companies. It tends to be a more stable revenue stream. CEO Vlad Tenev told me that there is some skepticism. He said that it hasn't historically worked in financial services, but they are looking to Amazon Prime and Costco for inspiration. And then AI, that's another tech-focused move in all of this. Robinhood is rolling out an AI research assistant. They're calling it Cortex. Tenev telling me one of the biggest pain points they're hearing from investors is they see something happening in the market. They want to know what's going on. We see that on CNBC all day, but it does also they help explain, and then it's going to suggest different strategies. So think of options. But he says the bar is still very high for using AI in investment advice.
We wanted to start with the areas where customers have questions that AI and its current capabilities can answer very, very reliably. Because in financial services, the tolerance for hallucinations and not being able to interpret the results is quite low. So we have to make sure the results are interpretable and also hallucination-free.
And according to Tenev, building some of the technology on top of these AI models to prevent mistakes was one of the biggest challenges and hurdles. He hinted that AI models in the future might be able to help generate investment ideas, but we are not there yet at all. Regulations around that are still pretty unclear, Kelly.
You know, it's not really the AI angle of this that interests me so much, Kate. It's just them turning into a traditional financial services provider.
Yeah.
I mean, what was it, 3% they were offering to move your IRA, your 401k over? That's huge.
Yeah, they're mimicking that with some of these products, Kelly. And the transfer incentives have been one way that they've been going after these high net worth clients. So think about it. If you've got $10 million sitting at an incumbent brokerage firm, you transfer that over with a 2% rate. That's $200,000. And I asked Tenev, are those people sticking around? Are they just coming for that cash boost? He said no. And the pressure on them is to really keep up and add these more sophisticated, whether it's trading products, wealth management, things that they're going to really look for from another brokerage firm. Yeah. But they still don't have mutual funds. They don't have fixed income. So they are really trying to do everything. I think the risk is what you call vision creep in Silicon Valley, that you do too much and that you're not nailing it on the core products. And that for Robinhood, that is self-directed trading.
Right. If they can keep that going, though, and expand, it should put a lot of the legacy players on notice. Kate, thanks very much.
Wealth transfer, yeah.
Yeah, Kate
Thanks,
Rooney.
Gil.